Life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to re-record my sugar cookie video. So I've already did this video, but since I get so many questions still, I decided to re-record it for you guys. So first I'm going to go in with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and this butter is at room temperature. Then we're going to go in with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, and we're going to put that in a little bit at a time, and we're going to let those two cream together. So throughout this recipe, you will see me stopping the mixer a number of times and scraping down the bowl, scraping down the paddle attachment, and this is just making sure that nothing actually gets stuck to the actual mixer and that all of our ingredients are incorporated well and evenly. So once the butter and sugar are incorporated well and they're nice and fluffy, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and then we're also going to go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to go in with 1 egg, and this egg is also room temperature. So now I'm just rolling the dough out, and I always like to use my wooden rolling pin when I'm making cookie dough. Just my preference, but I usually like to roll my cookie dough out about a fourth of an inch thick. I like my cookies a little on the thicker side. And so I'm just going to roll those out, and then I'm going to use some Halloween cookie cutters to cut out those shapes, and then I'm going to place them onto a lined cookie sheet, and they're going to go into the oven for 350 for 10 minutes. So they've been in the oven for 10 minutes. I just pulled them out, and now I'm going to immediately move them to a cooling rack. I always like to move my cookies to a cooling rack because it immediately stops them from baking and browning under the bottom. And so this cookie rack and cookie sheet was actually a set that I got from Joann's a while ago. I got it on clearance for like $8 for the set, and it is the best cookie sheet and the best cookie rack that I've ever had, and they fit right inside each other. We'll see if I can find this set and link it below. And there we have it, guys. The easiest, most perfect sugar cookies. I hope you guys give these a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.